Ferrari Purosangue. You guys loved the previous white one we did, and funny enough, you're gonna see the exact same build on this. You have to say goodbye to the yellow because this car is gonna actually be white. So we're doing a full paint protection film, color change to white, paint protection film, not vinyl. If you open the doors, you're gonna see so much yellow. All of that has to go. Everything you see here will be white. The Ferrari SUV is the best SUV on the market, in my opinion. It's also gonna be getting a Novitec exhaust, Novitec suspension, and Novitec NF11 wheels. It will be a little bit different than the white one we previously did. Obviously, it's gonna be the same setup, but the color on the wheels, it's gonna be gold. It's being done now. Novitec is powder coating the wheel. We need to do a lot of work on the body. It takes a lot of skill, a lot of precision to get this car changed fully from yellow to white. And again, at Phone to Motorsport, providing the best service, we can only use the best product. That's why we use Novitec. I'll see you more when we get going. We are now working on a 2025 BMW G90 M5. What is in my hand now is a dry carbon EVENTURI intake. This was the last missing piece to this car that we haven't yet put our hands on. We've done everything already, from suspension to exhaust to tuning to sending the ECUs out to Finland, stage 2 tune through DME. Everything has been super successful on the road, especially with tuning. This car is very fast, it's making 900 horsepower. The client is super happy. We were able to turn this car around in under 7 business days. Everything is done with the best engineers, the best products, and that's the only thing we're using here at Phone to Motorsport. If you do have an M5 and you want to get it done, make sure you contact us. Alright guys, so here we have this NF11 Novitec wheel in brushed gold that is made in Miami, Florida. Here's your serial number and is engineered for Ferrari Purosangue. And to my left is a whole lineup of different style Ferrari wheels that have been off either a different Purosangue or SF90. All these Ferraris have either been replaced by HRE wheels or Novitec wheels. And we are using these main brands for many reasons. It's because their durability, they're lightweight, they are built in America, they are fully forged, and they're a very reputable brand, especially from HRE being one of the oldest customizing wheel company in the industry, and also Novitec, as you guys all know, it's #1 Ferrari brand. Alright guys, happy Friday. We just finished something special, a Ferrari Purosangue reimagined by 412 Motorsport. This particular Ferrari Purosangue got a full color change, matte white with pearl, paint protection film, and as you know, for Ferrari Purosangues, it has a huge front bonnet covering the V12 engine, amazing lines through the car. You're not gonna see any cuts. We did this in one piece to cover the whole car, so it looks very slick. And the lines going through, exiting through here with the pearl white, you can see the lines, you can see the shape of this Ferrari. This thing is covered with carbon all through the sides. This is all original Ferrari carbon fiber. Again, the gold wheels, the gold Ferrari horse with the matching beautiful interior with the yellow stitching. As you can see going down, it's all now pearl white. Suicide doors. This thing is gorgeous, it's raw, it sounds insane. So we'll show you the car, we'll drive the car, we'll rev the car, we'll do a cold start now. Enjoy. This Sunday, July 27th, Cavallino 412 Coast Drive with Ferrari, with the ME tuning. I need to breathe for that one. Planning this for the last couple of weeks. On the lifts, we have an A12 GTS and we have the F12. F12 is going to be a safety car. And what we're doing exactly, we're putting new tires on the A12 GTS. I will be driving that car. We have Michelin tires here. We are also installing an exhaust on it because it's a bit quiet. The F12 actually was put back to stock completely. It was fully serviced, driven, tested, back now to X-pipe and rear section. Also, we're installing Novitec suspension on the car as well. This is a 40 car Ferrari rally, all Ferraris we've built, so it's super exciting to see from La Ferraris, F40s to Competiciones, SF90 Spiders, all the way to OTO, GTO, the coolest people, the best cars. We're gonna be driving from here to Ojai, to Santa Barbara, police escort the whole way. Something extremely exciting for us, for our clients, just to get together, have lunch, have fun. We will document the whole thing, so stay tuned.